Okay, students, have a look at the definition of Khudi. Khudi is the significance of the self in an individual. Khudi is a source through which we can bring ourselves closer to the ultimate mean. If we know ourselves, if we respect ourselves, so we can do anything in our life. We can make impossible things possible in our lives. Moving towards our text again. Iqbal expresses, if man becomes emperor of himself, again, he's focusing, he's stressing upon it. If man knows himself completely, every aspect of one's life is known by the person himself. Emperor mean आका हुक्मरान of himself खुद का बन जाता है, then he can lead the world in his own direction. Mean if a person knows his abilities, his potential, his caliber in a complete way, in a proper way, so it can lead the world in his own direction according to his own will. अपनी in his own direction अपनी मर्जी के मुताबिक चला सकता है. And such a person can find out with his sagacity. Sagacity mean अपने शऊर, अपनी दानिशमंदी से. Quality of being wise. Such a person can find out with his sagacity, with his caliber, with his wisdom, the pearl of future for coming generation. The pearl of future mean it can determine, it can predict the future for the coming generation. Pearl is used metaphorically over here. So it can, you can say, predict the bright future for the future generation. If the young generation uses its wisdom, its caliber, its potential in a proper way. Have a look at another remarkable verse of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. वही है साहिब अमरोज़ जिसने अपनी हिम्मत से ज़माने के समंदर से निकाला गोहर फरवा. वही है साहिब अमरोज़ mean if a person is courageous, if a person is hardworking, if a person knows his caliber, his potential in a proper way, so it can discover anything, it can invent anything just because of its courage, its wisdom. But the youth of Iqbal is not contented. Contented means satisfied. Iqbal's youth is not satisfied with what he has created or invented, with what he has invented or created or achieved in his life. तख्लीक किया है या इजाद किया है, he is not satisfied over that. But he will move further. He will set another aims and goals for himself. And again, he will strive hard to achieve them. What is this? This is just because of the spirit of ishq. Ishq is motivating force, which keeps a youth, which keeps a person motivated all the time, which does not allow a person to be satisfied with what you have, with what you have achieved, with what you have gained. It's a force which keeps you motivating, which keeps you to discover, which makes you discover new or achieve new things in your life. Another name for perpetual struggle. Perpetual struggle, continuous struggle, which is not stopped. Mustaqil. Spurs him. Spurs him तरगीब देती है. Spurs का मतलब होता है motivate करना. Inspires him to go beyond, to go farther. The star that he has discovered mean whatever he had set, whatever aims and goals he had set in his life, and now he had achieved those aims and goals. Now he will not sit idle. He will not sit free that he has achieved everything in his life. No, he will move further. He will set more aims and goals for himself. And again he will start his struggle to achieve those aims and goals, and in this way his journey will keep on moving all the time. It will not be stopped at any time. This struggle will continue with his life that he has discovered with his foresight. Foresight means with his farsightedness, with his seer, with his potential of or caliber of predicting the future. He has achieved everything. So he's not contented, he's not satisfied over there. The motive of Iqbal's youth is to, the motive mean maqsad, the aim of Iqbal's youth is to pursue his intellectual and spiritual goals. Pursue mean to follow. Intellectual and spiritual goals, intellectual mean ilmi and spiritual mean ruhani, which is related to religious goals, and then continue his journey beyond these goals. Mean after setting intellectual aims, after setting spiritual religious aims and goals, and after achieving those aims and goals in any field, he will set another aims and goals for himself, and in this way he will continue his struggle of achieving and inventing and discovering new things in his life. हर एक मकाम से आगे मकाम है तेरा, हयात ज़ोक़ सफ़र के सिवा कुछ और नहीं. Mean, once you have achieved or created or invented anything, so you will not feel satisfied. Rather, you will go beyond your achieved aims, your invented things. You will set another aims and goals. You will try to achieve, you will try to discover and invent new things in your life. So your life is not other that just because of just journey. I mean, it's a continuous struggle. It's a journey which will not stop at any time, and it will continue with your life. The life of Iqbal's youth is dynamic. Iqbal's youth life is not stopped. It's not stagnant. It's dynamic, mutaharrik hai, moving hai, and not confined, not limited to limited material. Material mean madi, dunyavi. Achievements mean you have whatever you have achieved. You have got wealth. You have earned wealth. You have made houses and buildings. No, it's not the aim of Iqbal's youth that you have achieved. You have earned certain amount of wealth, and you have made a building, you have made a house, so your life is stopped, you have achieved everything. No, not at all. Iqbal's youth is other than that, an enjoyment of it. I mean, after achieving those things and now you are going to enjoy it. No, this is not Iqbal's youth. He enjoys the creative journey. Iqbal's youth is creative. Iqbal's young person is creative, and he is in creative journey of exploration. Exploration mean all the time he's trying to discover new things, and is not satisfied whatever he has discovered in his life. Exploration mean जुस्तजू है उसके अंदर, न्यू तलाश की जुस्तजू. किस चीज़ की तलाश? Which is creative, which have not been discovered or invented by any other person in the past. Discovery, दरियाफ्त. He is in the journey of discovery. He is in the journey of exploration. He is in the journey of inventing new things and innovations. Inventions, इजादात. Innovations, नई चीज़ें बनाना, नई दुनिया बनाना. वही जहाँ है तेरा जिसको तू करे पैदा, ये संगे खिश्त नहीं जो तेरी निगाह में है. Iqbal said that your world is only the one which you create yourself. Not these stones and bricks which are inside. Mean, the purpose of your life is not just to build a building, to earn wealth. No. Your world revolves around whatever you have created for yourself, whatever you have whatever you have set for your life. This is your life. The youth of Iqbal is a seer. As we have already discussed that Iqbal's youth is a seer. Seer means mustaqbil shanas, who can predict the future. Roshan Zamir. And he soars from his discovered star. From his discovered star mean whatever he has discovered, whatever he has invented, he will fly higher than that. Now he will try to discover another star which is brighter than the previous star. Mean the aims the thing which you have achieved, the discovery which you have discovered. Now you have to go beyond that. The star to new nova of brilliance and inspiration. Nova means sudden brightness of not a prominent star. Brilliance means extraordinary mental capacity. Inspiration means asar, mutasir hona. So students, that's all from now. We'll continue our unit in our next lecture. So see you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.